All right, it is Tuesday, April 10th. It is Hannah Grace's birthday today. How you doing, Hannah Grace? Good? You feeling any older? No? She still feels the same. We're still waking up. We're trying to, we're actually getting breakfast right now. Actually waiting for my first cup of coffee, but we're gonna head up to Pundaquit today and try to do some island hopping up there, do some swimming in the ocean, try to get the drone up in the air, and you guys are going to take a ride with us up to Pundaquit today. Alright, so we found a place that will accommodate us for island hopping. I think they get 1,500 pesos, and that's 3 islands. I think you pretty much take your time, there's no rush. But anyways, I'm walking up to get the car. The resort here told us if we use their use their services that we can use their parking lot. He said bring the car back up here, it's safer than where we park. So that's where I'm heading right now. But anyways, I'll show you some of the Pundaquit here, and some of these little tiny little stores, and just a cool little town here. I don't know, I call it like a little fishing town. This is the resort that we're using their services. Like I said, I tried online to find some of these resorts and I couldn't find any, because we would actually have spent a night up here. But, yeah, well, day trip. This is the Megan's Paradiso Beach Resort. Let's walk out here. Find my way back to the car. Hello. Oh, I know where I'm at. Actually parked up here on the left. Little stores, both sides of the road. They told me they'll let you park. Then when you go to leave, they try to hit you up for a couple hundred pesos. They tell you it's free, but then when you leave, they try to hit you up. So, all right, guys. So there's been a change. They're actually doing a film shoot on one of the islands, so we can't enter that island. They won't let us on there, so we're actually going to just be doing 2. And the price has changed from 1,500 to 1,200, 1,200 pesos. And that's for the 3 of us, and unlimited as long as we can stay and hang out and swim and do whatever. So anyways, we are heading out to the islands. When I get back, I'll show you this resort here. It's very nice. All right, this is the boat we are going to be cruising on, island hopping on. This is it right here. Just the 3 of us and 1 captain. So this is going to be fun. Those are the islands out there we're going to. Like I said, they're doing a movie shoot on one of them, so we can't get on the island. So, but anyways, this is it. It's just beautiful out here. I mean, the water is just beautiful. When Lut and I came, we actually were the only ones here. There was nobody else on the beach. It was just her and I. But yeah, there they are. I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro and I'm going swimming.
All right, we are at the final destination. I'd love to get the drone up, but it's just too windy, and I definitely don't want to lose it. But you rent these little huts out here. I think to get 50 pesos per head for this place here. It's not really an island. It's kind of like a cove that comes in, and swim here. I know last time we were here, Luke got some really good fish. I got some crab. But like I said, it's a cove that comes in, and it's just beautiful. You know, 1,200 per head, or 1,200 for the three of us for this little boat trip. You can't beat that. And that's a little over what? It's like right around $14 US dollars. But we're gonna hang out here. Hannah Grace is already in the water, as you can see. And yeah, we're gonna eat some grub here, and we're gonna swim here, and we're gonna check this out. How much do they charge here?
50 pesos entrance, 100 pesos for the cottage.
50 pesos per head, and then 100 for the little cottage that we're sitting underneath.
Not bad.
Not bad. Yeah, not bad at all. Yeah, they got little stores here. You can buy your stuff. We brought some soda and some water, but you can always buy stuff here too. There wasn't this many vendors set up when we were here before. Need a hat. Got some sun hats. Hammocks. Of course you got vendors trying to sell you things. Oh no, hindi po.
Later. Hello, boss.
Hello.
Hello po.
Hello.
Nice, sir.
Thank you.
Look like Pinelaw.
Like who?
Pinelaw.
Vanillo?
Yeah, you know Pinelaw?
No, no.
My friend.
Oh. Oh, okay.
You look like him, man. What's your name?
It's the restaurant.
Boss.
Huh?
Can I get you your glasses?
My glasses. What about them?
I tried it.
Oh, no, no, no. They one of a kind.
Let me see.
Hang on. There you go.
Sasadli.
There you go.
Can I change it?
No.
No, you just for my things.
20,000 peso.
No, it's so hot.
Yeah, very hot. He said I look like somebody. Manilo. I don't know who that is. Then he wanted my glasses. I told him not for sale. And I told him 20,000 pesos. He said, no, not worth it. You got all these cottages in here. There it is. Welcome to Anawangin Cove. Welcome to Anawangin Cove. Mansayon Beach Resort. I'm sure I'm not pronouncing that right. Pundaquit, San Antonio Zambales. Oh, there's the entrance fees. That's wrong. It's not 100, it's 50. 50 per day. Oh, there it is. Yeah, 50 per day, 100 per head overnight. All right. Destination Beach Resort. Entrance, welcome. This is a resort in here. It looks pretty nice back in there. Yeah, this is all new since last time we were here. This is nice. This is really nice. Where are we going, Let? Hang on, let me film some of this. I would definitely come back here and stay here. This looks really nice. Got a pool back in there. You can bring tents, cottages back in there. Wow. This is awesome. All right, so here's what we found out. The little fish place that cooked the fish and everything, had the crabs and all that fresh, no longer exists here. It's not there anymore. So there's a place right up, one of the little stalls up the beach here that has, they have what, liempo?
Yeah.
Like Lud ordered some liempo and some milkfish, right?
Yeah.
And they have milkfish, so pancit and some pancit, so we're gonna grub on some of that. But yeah, man, I wish that place was still here, because that crab that I ate when I was here last time was awesome. I don't know what kind of crab it was, but it was delicious. So anyways, we're gonna do some grubbing. All right, so we made it back from the island hopping and the boat ride. Boat ride back was pretty interesting, pretty fun. Water was pretty choppy and we were banging around pretty good, but it was fun. Anyways, I wanted to show you this resort here where we got hooked up with the boat ride. Looks like I got a little sun on my face. Where we got the boat ride, because it's beautiful. But yeah, let me show you the resort here real quick. Just the area here. And they got beautiful flowers, landscaping and stuff through here. Megan's Paradise Beach Resort. If you're ever down in Pundaquit, come here. They'll hook you up with a decent island hopping tour, and you can stay out as long as you want. But yeah, look at the landscaping here. It's beautiful. And you can park, huh? Well, I don't know, I thought she was with you. And then they have their own parking area here so you can park your car and feel safe. So anyways, we are heading back to the hotel now, back to the Wild Orchid, and I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know, sun's still open, or the sun's still out. I'm sure Hannah Grace will be swimming, so we're heading back now. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Got a little bit of sun today. What do you think? I think we all did. But anyways, I'm gonna wrap this one up. We're gonna head over to Blue Rock and grab something to eat and enjoy a meal over there, and I come back here and just chill. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed you know, the video of Pundaquit. Like I said, if you ever in Zambales and you want to get away for a day, or you know, stay up there, it's beautiful up there. It's like a hidden treasure. People don't really know about it, and there's a lot going on up there. Just within 4 years, we've seen a lot of things, you know, come in there, but you know, change. But it, you know, it's all for the best, and I don't think it's going to become a major tourist spot or anything like that. They just improved it. So anyways, guys, tomorrow's another day, and the journey continues, and we'll see you then.